Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about one of English learning application. The application is Duolingo. Okay. Duolingo founder Luis van Aan and Servin Hacker, CEO founders of Duolingo, started working on the app in 2009. At the time, Louis was a professor at Carnegie Mellon, and Servin was one of his students. Okay, the inspiration behind this Duolingo app is to make language learning free for people to use, be it in Guatemala or around the world, so that they can benefit economically. Okay, what is Duolingo? Duolingo is one of the most popular language learning apps. The learning method used in is more like a game, so the learning process while playing. Besides that, there is an assessment in the learning process. You can find out how far the learning process is and how high the score is. Uh, this application is very easy to use and fun, and the steps are easy to understand. Duolingo aims to be friendly to to all of age group, from children to teens and the elderly. Duolingo was preferred over text and regular media because of this convenience. Duolingo is easy to use and attractive, and is convenient to use as one of the media used the outside inside and outside the classroom. Uh, and then student will be happy if using this application, because this application uh, this application is really fun, and they they will be happy to proving their language learning at Duolingo. Okay, uh, Duolingo also impo- Duolingo start as an academic project that want to focus on language education to meet the needs of millions of people around the world who want to get a better job and learn another language. Okay, a skill acquired from Duolingo. Okay, in this application, acquired for skill English language. The first, speaking. The second, read the text in English. The third, listening. The fourth, write in English. Each lesson will be taught first vocabulary based on the chosen topic. So in this application, there are so many uh, item, so many items in the content of the application to improve our skill English language. Okay, the advantages and disadvantage of application of Duolingo application. The first, language option from Duolingo are quite a lot. After that, the process of using the application that will adjust to capabilities. Use can choose an beginner or advanced feature. So this application not only for the advanced, but this application also acquire uh, the content for the beginner of learners English learners. User can also set weekly target and determine the intensity level of the learning material. The learning content that will be present is quite diverse and fun. The material is not only in the form of text but also audio and visual that is packaged almost like a game that feels playful. Okay, actually the listening skill and other skill is fun from this content by listening the audio from this application. Okay, this service also focus not only on word translation but also on grammar but also on grammar, which is explained at the end of the material. Okay, this advantage of this application. The first is sometimes the sentence used in the application are still rarely used in communicating in everyday life. And then uh, the last, the application also doesn't provide features to communicate between user. Okay. So the one of application the one of the disadvantages of this application, we cannot communicating with the other user. uh, okay, in this application uh, has a list of 32 language to practice with this application. But in addition, uh, 34 hours of practice on Duolingo is linked to a college entry level course. Okay, the suggestion, this Duolingo application is very fun. It can be a medium in learning a second language, especially vocabulary. Duolingo offers gamification learning for user. The game in this application provide benefits for user to learn the target language, and the learners will not be bored. Okay, I think that's all for me, my explanation about Duolingo. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.